Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Okay, so I've got my, to make the first thing I'm going to do is make the herb and chive butter. So I've got 80 grams of butter, which is about 3 ounces, and 2 tablespoons of chopped chives. They're meant to be finely chopped, or as bits like there, and 1 tablespoon of thereabouts of chopped parsley. And I'm going to pop in some, and you could use any combination of herbs for this. And we want 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, only a little bit of lemon so that it gets absorbed by the butter. And we're just going, I'm using salted butter, and it's been out of the fridge for a few hours, so it's nice and soft. If you forget your butter's straight out of the fridge, you can zip it in the microwave or pop it in the oven for a few minutes. You just want it to make sure it's soft but not melted. And then we just mash it. I've got the pan heating up, and I'm just going to chop the steak. So I'm just going to cook 1 steak since I'm just doing this photo shoot. I don't want to have too many steaks left over. And I'm using Scotch fillet, which is ribeye off the bone, which is pretty luxurious cut for this type of cooking, but it's my favorite. But you can use like any steak's good because we're going to bash it out, so it really tenderizes the steak. It means it cooks quicker, and it just makes it a much better. So I am going to cut some of the fat off. So what we're going to do is we're going to bash out the steaks, and I'm going to use my, you can use your fist if you like, just bash it like that. So you want to cut it into kind of pieces about yay big, and then you can either use your fist or a saucepan, or if you have a meat mallet, a meat mallet. This is my potato ricer, which I find works really well. So you just want to bash it up so it's about twice the size that it was. To drizzle with some olive oil. Or you can get your butcher you can buy minute steaks already done from the butcher. But yeah, this is good for any cut of steak, even cheaper cuts, because you bash it, that tenderizes it, so it's nice versatile cooking method. So just going to sprinkle with salt on both sides. The pan's been heating up for a couple of minutes now on a super high heat, so it's really, you can start to see it starting to smoke. So we're going to get our steak in, and we've already oiled this. So 1, 2, 3, and it's literally, I'm going to cook it for a minute on each side. Okay, so our steak's had a minute on each side, so I'm just going to turn it off the heat, get it out of the pan. You can see it's beautifully golden brown and juicy. If you like a steak well done, like my dad, you can maybe cook it for a few more seconds, like another 30 seconds. But that is looking great for me. Wilt some spinach, so put the pan back on the heat. So this is a really big bag of spinach, so that'll do. And you just want to cook it down. You could saute some green beans if you like, or some snow peas, or just some frozen peas in here. I just serve with the salad leaves as they are. So I'm just going to wilt them down a little bit, but not too much. And then we're going to finish with an extra squeeze of lemon over the spinach. And it can go over the steak too if you like. And then the butter that we made, that was enough for 2 people. So this is just, I'm going to put, this is a lot of butter, but I think it just melts into the sauce. It makes it really amazing. But if you're a bit shy on fat, you might like to use a bit less. And the thing with the butter is you want to kind of spread it out a bit, just so the heat from the steak melts it and softens it and turns it into the most amazing sauce. And then we're done. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one.
Hope to see you soon.